I just programmed NotebookLM to automatically go and find broken Google listings and have it all automated using an AI agent. And most people are using this entirely wrong. So if you have not been using NotebookLM this way, you need to stick around, because by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to make NotebookLM and browser agents do work for you automatically without any involvement. You can literally be landing clients while you sleep or fulfilling work from clients while you sleep. Paul James here, and I'm really excited to jump into this. By the way, I'll be linking any of the tools that I'll be using in this video right in the description below, so feel free to check those out. But let's jump into it. So what I want to do today and what I want to build out for you and teach you how to do is how to build a browser agent that goes and scrapes Google Map listings. And by the way, you can program your agent to do whatever you want, whatever niche you're in, whatever sort of work you're doing. You can just modify what I'm teaching you how to do. It's so easy. Anyone can do this. But I'm going to program it to go and find me some leads inside of Google Maps that need help with their listings so that I can then go and pitch them these services. That's where NotebookLM comes in, because NotebookLM is automatically going to pitch a service just like you see here. It's going to put together a proposal and an audit and all of that good stuff automatically. And then I'm going to also use the browser agent to then fulfill the work. Super cool and super easy to do. And all of this can be done with about $37. So let me jump in and teach you exactly how to do it. So right here, what we're gonna do is I wanna automate the process of basically going and looking through the listings for roofer in Orlando, Florida. So the tool I'm gonna be using to help with that is called Browser Agent. I'll leave a link below, pauljames.com/browser agent. They have an entry plan, which is $37. It's more than enough to get started, although they do have a bundle, which includes a bunch of other cool stuff. And if you are serious about scaling this up, I would recommend the bundle. But with that being said, on here, you're gonna see some templates at the top. And the template that I'm going to be using is called this Google Maps Lead Scraper. And by the way, you don't have to use a template. You can click on the mission builder and you can build out any mission that you want. But they have 41 pages full of templates from lead gen, social media, e-commerce, competitor intel, jobs, and outreach. And we're going to be using a couple of them in this video today, which just make it easy to get going. But you can literally build out any mission that you want, and you can daisy chain missions together as well, which again is very useful if you want it to start looking for leads. Then once the job is closed, you can build another mission to fulfill it. So super cool. But let's go with this Google Maps Lead Scraper one. It's under the lead gen tab. We're going to hit create this mission. And we just need to fill out what we want it to do. So I'm going to say, go to Google Maps, and I want you to search for roofer in, and I'm going to do Orlando. For each of the first, let's say, 20 results, collect business name, phone number, website URL, address, rating, review count, and opening hours. Save all results to a structured table. And then the start URL is just going to be maps.google.com, and I want it to output this into a CSV format. Now, if you want, you can schedule this mission up to run daily or weekly or however often you want it to run. Okay, but I actually just want it to run right away. So I'm going to run the mission right now. But this is a really cool feature. If you do want it to run daily, you literally have AI going and prospecting for you on demand every single day without your involvement. And honestly, this is one of the biggest things that I think stops people from actually going and getting clients or getting results, is because they have to manually do the work. And now you don't have to. You don't need to hire a VA. You don't need to do any of that. You can see here, it's pulled up a browser, which this is why I really like this tool, is because it's not using any of your own browser. So all of your details are safe. There's no like security issues or anything like that, because it's using its own browser to do it. It's not using your browser. So that's why I prefer this particular tool, and why I think it's worth paying the $37 to get started with it for, because it just makes everything so easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this run, and it's already working, so it's going to be really quick, but I'll pause this on my end and then come back once we have the results to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so as you can see, it finished running, and it took 2 minutes and 18 seconds up here. So super quick to get running. Now I can download and export this into a CSV file and use that data. But one thing that's jumping out at me right away is that the top 3 businesses that are ranked are open 24 hours, and then the one right below it is not. So there might be a little bit of ranking there that is maybe helping them rank. So One of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to probably mention that to this company, because we could probably do just a couple small tweaks like that to get them ranked number one, or at least in the top 3. But the other thing that we can do is we can help them get on more local directory sites. And that's probably what I would pitch to all these people, because we can actually use the browser agent to automate that task as well. So one of the ways that we can do this is we can grab their URL, head over to NotebookLM, create a new notebook, use their URL inside of it to create the notebook, just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I want you to create a proposal that explains that there's a couple small changes we can make to their Google Maps listing to get them ranking in the top 3, because currently they are not, and we would like to get them listed on more directory sites. Okay, and I'm going to say I will only charge $497 for this, and contact me if you would like to move forward. You will see results in just 7 to 10 days. And then I'm going to put my contact details. Okay, so this is going to get to work, and then we can go ahead and we can send that out. Now, you have a couple different ways that you could go and get this going, and this is awesome because it's putting this little thing together for us automatically. And we can turn this into a slide deck if we want, which will make it look, let's say, put the proposal into slides, and we can have it generate that, and that's going to it's going to generate here on the right-hand side. But what we can do next is we can automate this. And this is the really cool part, is we can set this up on another mission. And the way we do that is we come back under templates, right? And we come to this one under forms and submissions. And the cool part is they already have a mission built in called the directory submission, bulk directory submission. So we can go and create this mission. And we just need to basically fill out this info. We'll add in their business name, their business address, their phone number, their website description, and their category, and then we'll run the mission, and it's going to do everything automatically for us. So this is pretty cool because, like I said, we're going to send off this slide deck to them that's going to explain all of this stuff. We're going to charge them $497, and then we're going to just take like 2 minutes to set up the browser agent to do all of the work for us on our behalf, which is pretty awesome. So if you do the math on this, right, you're spending $37, or if you get the bundle, I think the bundle is around $300, and it comes with a lot more stuff, but you're in profit either way, right? Let's just say whatever one you decide to go with. Okay, you run the agent. The agent finds you leads. Okay, you take those leads, you're going to throw them into NotebookLM. It helps close the deal for you with doing the proposal side of it automatically. As you just seen, that was super easy to do. Okay, and then you're going to sell it for $497. Okay, so you've made a minimum here of $197. Okay, and maybe more depending on which package of the AI agent you actually end up going with. And the time commitment here, right? Let's talk about the time commitment. Okay, you spent maybe 8 minutes watching this YouTube video. So we'll count that in. Setting the agent up, that took 2 minutes, right, to start getting the leads. I spent another 1 minute maybe or so putting it into NotebookLM. And then I would spend another 5 minutes entering in their business name and all of that stuff, the name, the address, and NotebookLM can automate this too. Like I could say I could actually just take a screenshot of this stuff and have it just give me this info automatically, or I could just paste it, I guess. I'll say fill in this info. Okay, and now something that would have took, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, it's going to do it automatically for us here. Boom, there we go. So it already did it for us in about 30 seconds. So you know what? I said 5 minutes, but realistically, about 30 seconds to take that info and copy and paste it back here and then run the mission. And they're going to see awesome results from this because they're already in position number 4, right, as we saw. And once we do this work for them, they're probably going to jump up. And even if they land just 2 to 3 extra jobs a month, which will probably land a lot more, roofers are charging anywhere from, $10,000 to $25K for a new roof in this area. If they land just a couple of those jobs, that is insane ROI for them paying you $497 to make back. And your total time investment realistically is under like 10 minutes. And that's including probably watching this YouTube video right now. So anyways, I highly encourage you to go out there and try this one out. Leave a comment below if you did try it out. And if you'd like some extra training on this, just leave a comment below, like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll send over some extra training that you can use to really scale this up and get this working for you. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I am Paul James. We'll see you in the next one.